Let's see
Okay,
if you
Peter, do you want another present?
Yeah.
Yeah? Another birthday present?
What is that?
This is from Grandma and Grandpa Shumway, Peter.
Good boy.
But I can still touch it when he's done, right?
If he lets you. Do you need help, buddy?
No. If I'm like playing with him, right?
Yeah.
What is it, Peter?
No.
Oh,
You
yeah.
open it. Dad, you can't touch it.
Well, he was asking for help in Peter language.
What's in there?
What is it, dude? Oh, what is it?
Candy. Daddy?
Oh. Oh, how cute!
Look at that. That is cute.
Yeah.
Oh, I like it. What do you say, Peter? You say thank you?
Thank you. Hi.
Can you say thank you? Say thank you to Grandma and Grandpa Shumway. Thank you. Clearly you like it. Whoa!